Look, it's so powerful it can weld.
Oh!
Tasered! I'll say what I want to say in a second. I just want to apologise for that noise. I don't know how loud it's going to come through on the video. But so I just went to Photo Film and asked if they had any old cameras, and they gave me these. They had a bunch. They had like these one-shot ones. But I saw a video on YouTube. That's how I got this idea. So, and they use Kodaks. So I decided I'll just get those. And they also look like the best condition as well. Although you can see the film's been taken out there though. That thing's really loud. Sorry. But yeah, I told the lady there that I was using them for lighting in my modeling, and I don't know if she believed me, but she gave them to me anyway, so it doesn't matter. Plus, as Hugo pointed out, I could just be an underground circuiteer who's discovered some new techniques, you know? T6 Zapper, they call me. But he's going to be working for me soon enough. Okay, I'm not totally sure what I need, so I've just got the solder, which I will need. The cameras, some cables, knife, and a set of pliers. Alright, I'm a little bit uncomfortable because Hugo's standing over me with the camera, but I'm going to use the knife and I'm just going to cut along the sticker line so it still looks pretty intact when you just glance at it. Hugo, are you getting this? Are you in this action?
I'm extremely shaky filming.
I'll think you do. I kind of fucked that up, but I'm sure it's fine. I'm just going to open this up, so... Alright, being the idiot I am, I cut my nails recently, so I got to use my knife to lever it up. Don't do that because it's pretty bad for your knife. But it's just a click kind of seal. Lift it up and there we go. What kind of seal that is, but I think it's another one. You can just lever up. Yep, there. So take that off, and we're left with the case and then the insides. Right, now I got to take this bit off. First we'll take off the film roll, and now we just got to pull it apart. I think I might get zapped here. I hope not, but I'll be careful. And that thing just unhooks there, and now I guess I just pull it. I don't know if there's a science to this. So that's all unhooked there. Where is it still hooked in? It's hooked in somewhere, but I'm just gonna... Oh. Hopefully that's fine. So now I'm going to take this off, and now we've exposed the wiring, you know? There we go. Right, now this may be a live wire. I should take the battery out first, and then I might get zapped. So hopefully not, hopefully it's dead. And maybe I should use a screwdriver or something. Nope. Oh, I think I just got... Jeez. Someone's taking photos of me. I did not permit that. I'm gonna zap this. This is gonna fucking zap me. Okay, it's not charged.
Fucking hell.
It is charged. Right, now I'm gonna unscrew the dashboard or the motherboard or whatever it is. Righty tighty, lefty. Oh fuck, I'm stripping. Oh, why is that thing so tight? Oh yeah, because I delayed the other one. I'll explain now. There's something under here called a capacitor, and it stores the charge. So it stores the charge from the battery. It's like a mini battery, and then all lets go at once. Because I took the battery out, there was still charge left in the capacitor, but me zapping that just took the charge out of the capacitor. So now there's no more charge in it, and I won't get electrocuted. Which is good. I guess I'll just unscrew the lens. Take that off. Now if you're a good solderer, you can solder it on there, but I fucked it up last time, so I'm going to do it properly this time. I'll take the lens off, and now how can I get the... Where is it attached? Oh, it's attached to the fucking thing. I'm just pull it and just come out. Yes, lad. Okay, there we are. Now I have a much better access to the two wires that we're going to use. So I'm just stripping the ends of the wires with the scissors so I can put them on the yeah, finish my sentence. There we go. So now, hopefully this will be easier for me to solder. I'm going to solder these two onto these two wires. Wish me luck. First thing I'm going to do is solder the wires onto, soldering iron onto this before I put it on there, because man, my skill for this probably good. Oh, it burns. I hope you can appreciate the setup. I gotta somehow get that. Maybe come up with the same best. Don't know if that's a good sign. Now I'm gonna put it back together. That was just the transition. Alright, I just tried it. It does work now. I put the battery back in. It's all down, and you didn't have to take it off. You could have just soldered it there, but I'm not good enough for that. Now I'm going to put the case on, and I'll fix up the wires, and I'll show you. So now for the case and the two prongs coming out, one of the prongs is going to go through that hole. The other one, I'm just going to make another hole next to it. So that's that. There we go, 2 holes. I put the battery back in, fed them both through there, and I'm just going to click it all back together. That clicks in there, that clicks in there. Mate, that is fucking brilliant. Stick that back down, I guess. Now for these wires, I don't know what I'm going to do with them. Oh, I should have made the top before I put the battery back in. Hopefully it doesn't charge up. Okay, we're dead, I think. So first up on the spoon. Take it, burns with the spoon. Now for me. Oh, it's so loud. Oh, my! You can feel it up your arm. Whoa.
Alright.
It's just some guys. Fuck that. It's kind of like when you have a dead leg and then someone kicks you again. And
I'm not trying this.
Wait, it's still a charge. Surely there's none left, right? I don't want to do it again.
Oh, bro, that one's green. What the fuck?
There's still shit left. Alright, now I'm into my eye. Hold up, and what else can I do? Felix. He's someone for sure.
Thanks.
Cheese.
Cha-ching.
See if the flash still works. Nope. Oof, I felt that. Oh my god, bro, it's like, that felt like a needle ache, like when you get a needle.
Bro.
Hey guys. See if you can hear the charge up. You ready?
Bro,
No, wait, listen. I hope the camera could pick up on that.
Yeah. Oh! Ow!
Did they get you? Oh my god, there's so much charge left.
Get away!
Here.
Get away!
Here, I'll hold my finger on it so you know what
I'm scared.
Here you go, I'll hold my finger on it. Mum, stop.
Bro, I don't trust you.
Mum, stop.
No, you've lost my trust.
I'll put it down here.
Bro, go away!
I'll put it down. You go look. Here it is. Here it's going on the ground there. I don't have it. Dust. Scares me every time. It welds to it. You can feel it sticking. Yeah, look at that. Hey. Wait, sorry. Hey, Felix. No. Wait, listen to me. Mum stole no crosses. Hugo can attest to this. I will not tase you. At least until later tonight.